Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn about jQuery, one of the most popular JavaScript libraries used in web development. If you are a beginner and want to understand what jQuery is, why it was created, and how it helps developer build interactive websites more easily, then this video is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the fundamental of jQuery and its important in modern web development. So let's get started. First, I need to open my PDF. Here you can see what is jQuery, why jQuery was created, key features, advantage of jQuery, and is jQuery still relevant. So first, we need to understand what is jQuery. jQuery is a fast, lightweight, and feature-rich JavaScript library feature-rich JavaScript library. It was created to simplify the process of writing JavaScript code. Uh, Here is the some point. JavaScript library, lightweight and fast, simplifies JavaScript development and more. Before jQuery became popular, developers often had to write long and complex JavaScript code to, to perform simple tasks such as selecting elements, handling events, creating animation, and communicating with server. jQuery provides an easier and shorter way to perform these operations. Its main philosophy can be summarized in one sentence: write less, do more. This means developers can accomplish complex tasks with less effort and fewer lines of code. It was first released in 2006 by John Risick and quickly became one of the most widely used libraries in the world of web development. And second one is why jQuery was created. Normal answer: simplify complex JavaScript tasks, solve browser compatibility issue, improve development speed. Let's understand more deeply why was jQuery created. To understand the importance of jQuery, we need to look at the challenges developer faced before its introduction. Different web browser often behaved differently. A feature that worked correctly in one browser might not work properly in another. As a result, developers spent a lot of time writing separate solutions for different browsers, and jQuery solved this problem by providing a consistent and reliable way to work across multiple browsers. And instead of worrying about browser compatibility issue, developer could focus on building better user experience, and this made web development faster, easier, and more efficient. And another topic is key features of jQuery. Here is some point. First, easy element selection, event handling, animations and effects, DOM manipulations, AJAX support, cross-browser compatibility. First, easy element selection. What is the meaning? jQuery makes it simple to find and interact with HTML elements on a web page. Developers can easily target specific elements without writing complicated JavaScript. Another one is event handling. Means websites respond to user actions such as click, keywords, input, mouse movements, and form submission. jQuery provides a simple way to handle these events and create interactive user experience. And another one is animations and effects. One of the most attractive features jQuery is its ability to create animations and visual effects. Developers can add smooth transition, fading effects, sliding effect, and many other interactive features. And another one is DOM manipulations. It means document object model, commonly known as the DOM, represent the structure of web page. jQuery allows developer to easily add, remove, modify, or update element within the page. And another one is AJAX support. AJAX enables website to exchange data with a server without reloading the entire page. jQuery simplifies AJAX operation, making web applications more responsive and user friendly. And last one is cross-browser compatibility. It means one of jQuery greatest strengths is that it works consistently across different browsers, reducing compatibility problems. And fourth, advantage of jQuery. There are several benefits to using jQuery. First one is faster development. It means developers can build features more quickly because many common tasks are simplified. And another one is easy to learn. Compared to traditional JavaScript, beginners often find jQuery easier to understand and use. And another one is large community support. jQuery has been around for many years and has a massive community of developers. This means there are plenty of tutorials, guides, plugins, and resources available online. And another one is rich plugin ecosystem. It means thousands of plugins have been creating using jQuery, allowing developers to add advanced functionality without starting from scratch. And the last one is improved productivity. It means by reducing repetitive coding tasks, jQuery helps developer focus on solving real problems and creating better applications. This is for advantage of jQuery. And last topic is jQuery still relevant? Here at some point, modern JavaScript offers similar features and is still used in many executing websites, useful for maintaining legacy project, good foundations for learning web development. Let's understand more deeply. This is common questions among beginners. Modern JavaScript has improved significantly over the years, and many features that once required jQuery are now built directly into JavaScript. And popular frameworks and libraries such as React, Angular, and Vue have also become widely used. However, jQuery remains relevant in many executing website and business applications. Millions of websites still use it today. Understanding jQuery is valuable because you may encounter it while maintaining older projects of working with legacy system. Additionally, learning jQuery helps beginners understand important web development concepts such as DOM, manipulations, event handling, and AJAX. Before in this video, I want to tell one more things. You can search your browser W3 School and click, and you can see here different types of programming language, but you need to use only for jQuery. Then you can click here jQuery, and you can see here a lot of related with jQuery, like jQuery home, intro, get started, syntax, selector, event, and jQuery facts, jQuery HTML, jQuery traversing, a lot of things related jQuery. So at the end of this video, to summarize today's video, jQuery is a JavaScript library designed to simplify web development. It follows the principles of write less to more. It makes tasks like element selection, event handling, animations, DOM manipulations, and AJAX much easier. And it provides cross-browser compatibility and improves developer productivity. Although modern JavaScript has reduced the need for jQuery in some situations, it is still widely used and remains an important technology to understand. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more these types of tutorial. See you in the next video.